Since its inception during the 1970s, Sonee Hardware has been about its employees, the customers, and in general the society. Our mission is to invest our wide experience to consistently provide customers with superior quality hardware products that satisfy their needs and surpass their expectations.
Store atmosphere is one of the most crucial elements in redefining the whole shopping experience for customers.
We have been working with Sonee Hardware for many years and we are very supportive of the mega store concept. The challenge was the lighting design, to choose one type of products that ensure a tidy appearance, high color rendering, and even lux level. We work closely with Sonee Hardware team for marketing, design, and technical department to ensure these criteria are met. Using software to simulate the virtual showroom and light levels, every single details of the store layout is being considered. LEDVANCE High Bay Value fits the requirement well in terms of color temperature, lumen output, and high CRNID. The smooth and beautiful line of design reduces glare and is highly reliable, offering the best efficacy and long lifespan.
We have selected LEDVANCE High Bay because of its quality and performance. It's easy to install, energy saving, and it's almost maintenance free. We are very happy. The actual results are impressive. The product, lighting effect, and the store atmosphere are great.
Our customer feedback is that it is very comfortable to shop in our store and we are proud of it. This has proven to us that LEDVANCE is a competent and reliable partner for projects, and I would highly recommend LEDVANCE products to our customers.
We launched the world-renowned Osram lamps to our customers in 1995. We base our strategies on current global market trends where our products and services are of superior quality because we believe our customers deserves the best. We love working with LEDVANCE. They have shown trustworthy quality, commitment, and support to deliver the best products. We are looking forward for a continuous partnership with LEDVANCE in making Sonee Hardware your favorite hardware store.